Hi guys, welcome to a new video on Banknifty analysis for Monday. So let us see like what happened today in the market, daily time frame. So as you can see, daily time frame, market has just done a break of structure on a daily time frame, and the candle has closed above this high. So what we can expect now is market is constantly going in a very except this small correction here. Market didn't come to the levels we expected to go, but anyways, intraday is possible. Is also possible in any uh, setup. That's not a very difficult thing, but the confirmation or the this is like an aggressive entry what we found here. So let's see here. Market just tapped the previous day high, just went like a rocket, almost like went for tapping the previous day high. It almost went close to 39 points. So more than this, Nifty gave a very good rally. Nifty was like completely bullish. There's no Bank Nifty. I think after 2 o'clock, it remained sideways. But Nifty gave a very clean, can say, rally. Like there are no corrections, no major corrections, no. You can see each and every pullback. Each and every pullback we saw here, market just took support of it, went up. So no, you can see no pullback was taken out. This is called smart money trap actually. This is what we call as smart money trap in SMC. So without taking out, the previous pullback has not been taken out. The market just rallies like this. There is no entry technically, you see. But see, go in a very lower time frame, like 1 minute chart and all, you may find entries. That is different. Because here you can see market, especially in Nifty, we can see there was an entry. But market didn't come and anyways mitigate that, but just liquidity sweep. Anyways, let me just go to Bank Nifty first. I'll just analyze the Nifty later. So this is the 5 minute chart. So let me open the CPR indicator. So what we saw today was exactly like what I told you on the day before yesterday. So exactly I predicted this. Like if the first candle is a very big red candle and it's opening above CPR, I thought. I gave a advice that it'll come and test the CPR and then it reverse from there. But market was extremely, hyper bullish today. So what it did was just sweep the previous day high, almost came to this 44, 447. This is just for this is just for uh, removing all those players who carried all the big positions from the bottom. So market did this, and I told you the first is candle is red candle. Market will slowly move upside because CPR is a one line CPR as well as market. The first candle is opening above R1 or previous day high. So high chances. I told you market can rally in a one-sided momentum. So this is what we expect. But what I expect was Bank Nifty could rally till R3. Somewhere we can say the rally stopped near 50% of R2 and R3. So this was the already predicted that day. Day before yesterday. So let's see like how we could have traded this today. So basically, I told you this kind of a move happens, especially first candle. Definitely this low and this high, you can just mark and on this. It's close to what? 218 points. It becomes a very big range for the market. So suppose if this is the real intention of the market was to sell off from here, the next candle exactly after, let's see, first candle became a red candle, next candle immediately became a green candle and closed above previous day. If the next candle formed somewhere here, definitely you would have taken some risk till here as a stop loss and traded this. But this was the so PE side, there's no entry today. Whatever we saw here, small moment here, that's it. But other than that, we didn't see any big momentum. This trade, since it happened in the morning, there was some good increase in the premium. Other than that, so this move and this move, what do you see here? Those who know that about the order block concept, definitely by seeing this first green candle, order block, because it swept the previous high, like here you can see here. We came back to the order block. This was one entry. This was the only entry what we got here, and we could have traded this based on this order block. What we see here. So this is one entry, and we got around 130 points. So around 65 points in the option premium. So this move, what we saw from R2 till here, it was a real rally action. The premium jumped like anything because it had broken the day high. So premium really jumped here. But somewhere I'll just open 100. So here you can see market did a rally, and I'll just show you. So this movement gave around 78 points, 80 points. Post that, this moment actually gave you around 100 points. This was actually a very good momentum because even though it was just a small rally, it was not a very big rally. Since it has already become in the money, this 4500, it gave 100 points. Actually, market mode only 100 points, but this premium also gave 100 points. This is like a since it's a Friday, so definitely this kind of move will result in spike of IV. So I'm sorry. So this move comes from here. So 169 points, close to 100 points we got. So I'm sorry. So this is the move, but this we don't know like how to capture this because somewhere here I'll just somewhere here we saw an order block selling for sell, but this market broke this. You can say this will act like a breaker block. Generally, breaker blocks are not very safe. They're quite risky because somewhere market even in the downside it would have made some order blocks here or here. So there is high chances market can even come here and mitigate that and go up, or it can even crash from here. But the sentiments are the stop loss will be very high. Anyways, like someone knows the breaker block concept, even this is this order block was broken. It came for retesting, formed this uh, thin bar candle. It's also, we can say, this is like a sweep of liquidity here. So on top of this, you could have, if you had traded, there also you would have made around 138 points. If you see in what time? So this 12:45 candle, I think somewhere here. So 12:45, some somewhere here, if we had entered, the things stop loss also was very less. If you see, hardly 10, 15 points. For 15 points, you got a very good return of 86 points, 85 points. This was a good trade. Post that market remained sideways after this, just after 2 o'clock. We were expecting a downfall actually. But after 2 o'clock, because seeing the Nifty going up, you can see Nifty was continuously going up. Just open the 5-minute chart. See, after somewhere around, yeah, after this pullback, Nifty didn't stop there. So after this pullback, Banknifty didn't stop there. It actually went again. You can see here, almost it went 65 points. So we were expecting Bank Nifty also to go, but it was showing signs of weakness here. You see, it was already showing signs of weakness around 2 o'clock. It was not making a higher high, just playing around here only. You can see this when this high was taken out, 230. Market was still playing here on. Was not ready to take out 230 here. When that was a green candle, the bank 230 candle was a green candle. Nifty, this was a red candle. So somewhere I felt like this must be a sign of reversal. But anyways, we had to close at cost to cost because the premium didn't move much because there was continuously buying going on. You can see buying was happening continuously in even in the last two candles. If you can see when market fell, the last candle was a green candle, so you can buying pressure was more. Yeah, it's all the smart money traps what we see every day. So never trust this kind of a move because leave the move. What we can trust is buying at a discount zone or buying at a cheaper price or after some correction or pullback. Don't never ever buy somewhere in the rally. If you jump somewhere in the rally, like seeing this big green candle, buy, market will do this and take out all your, will be afraid saying this move. Again, market will rally. So always wait for it. Wait for this order block confirmation. Definitely will get the entry. If you don't have order block, at least you should wait for this single candle mitigation. You see a single candle mitigation. Here also it happened. See, trend is bullish. Always look for intraday. Always look for this kind of a pullback and trade because already market is above daily CPR. Market is above VWAP and it's breaking structures. In every move is making higher high, higher low. It has broken. You can see. So when it has broken the day high and coming back, you can see the 5-minute candle has closed above this. That means market is waiting. It is waiting for a pullback to go up more. So why we should look for a sell entry here? That is wrong actually. Always look for buys in a situation where market is forming this kind of a bullish structure. So these are the two trades what we got. So this breaker block also was a good concept, and also we can do based on this single candle indication. This was the setup. So regarding target, we don't know. Like target is always like you can also use Fibonacci. So suppose if I use Fibonacci, generally this what we see here is 161.8%. This Fib extensions, what we call 261.836. These are all targets. We can use it as targets. So you could have used somewhere like 161.8 as your target if you had entered here. So this pullback, if it fails, this is your stop loss anyways. So if it goes, it will definitely go and test 161.8. If that is going to, if some green candle or big candle forms here, it will definitely go and test next levels. So that is the scenario. So sell side we didn't get any setup. So now what is the next move for the bank nifty? Okay. Let me, so we'll see like what is the next move. As you can see right now, continuously market is going up. So now pause here. Pullback is a pullback, pullback going up. It's not even taking out the previous pullback. There are a lot of pullbacks here. Pullbacks here. Pullback here. Pullback here. So you can see this down move and this up move, which broke this. So we can say this particular up move, what you see here is completely like a supply as a demand zone. Sorry, this down move, what you see here, this is like a demand zone for the market. So market until and unless it breaks this level, demand zone, or you can say it creates some, suppose if you consider this as a supply zone, the market wants to fall, definitely market has to break this level 44,516. But that is very far for us. But why I'm more interested in sell side is because I have a lot of supports. As I told you in the last video, a lot of supports are there. You can sell till support, buy from support. That is a trade we'll get. If the market goes above like this, it become lot more confused because we'll only have to do small scalping. So because if you can see here, after the high was taken out, 44 500 levels. Even here you can see pullback. So market real momentum is not. But if you see before the high was taken out, you can see the momentum. Just show you what I'm trying to say. See before this high was taken out, market went here, came down. Somewhere market created a demand zone here. And just let me show you. Okay, here market went up. Again, it took support there. Somewhere it created another demand zone here. Market went up. This was the last move. What you can see. So we should expect something like market should come and touch our demand zone, and then only we can enter. See market almost like 2 times. See came here, did a small correction. It actually should have tested this level. You see market. If you had tested 43,400 did rally, it would have been a or because that's what I had predicted, because 1,000 point rally I told you. If you remember last week, I told you there will be a 1,000 point rally, but I expect this from this level to this level somewhere. But market bank nifty, what it did was it didn't actually come and test this because already there's a double bottom. This liquidity was taken out here. You can see here there was this liquidity on hourly time frame, so it's already taken out. So market was ready to move. There's a lot of sell this trend line liquidity also. What people, I had told you this also. So, and there was a strong bottom here, which was not getting tested. So, high chances market will test this trend line and move up. Stop losses of these big sellers gets triggered. This is what will happen. So, if you want big rally like this, it can happen only from the bottom, not from the top. So now we cannot expect the market to drop like this. If the market has to come down, it cannot come like this directly and go like this. It- this used to happen before in the bank nifty like 1 or 2 years back. Now we don't have such. This happens once in a blue moon. What you saw a rally here like this doesn't happen every time. Straight like it. What if I just see like what is the degree angle 2.5%. Matter of 2 3 days. I'll just put the angle. Just a minute. There will be some tool where we can put the mark the angle. Just a minute. Where is that? So almost like a 70 degree. With a 70 degree move. Market never moves like this. So yeah, like almost like a 90 degrees. Shift it like this is almost straight rally. This will not get unless big sellers are sitting here and stop loss are taken out. Because definitely market was making lower low. You can see here. This is perfect example of how smart money works. You can see lower low. Correct. Market Bank Nifty stayed in this zone, making somewhere here we didn't say lower low because market came here and jumped. This was the move, but anyways, it was making lower low formation. People are becoming bearish day by day. That was a great opportunity for smart money, big institutions. What they did, every retailer, these option sellers basically, and future sellers were they're also like dumb money, what do you call? They would have had their stop losses here. Who do position trades, who hold the trades for weeks together, months together, they would have had the stops at these swings, basically. Whatever you're seeing swings, right? Market comes down here, they'll shift the stop losses here. When the market comes down here, they'll shift the stop loss here. So what will happen? Lots of stop loss orders here. Market just had to give small reaction. Their stop losses are enough to take the market out like this. That's all. This move was not due to some great buying which is happening. It's all due to short covering. Even if you see the stocks today, let me especially uh, the Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and IndusInd Bank. These are actually main. They have a lot of weightage here in Bank Nifty. If you see, especially this move by IndusInd Bank, I'll just open the chart and show you. This is an alone is enough. IndusInd Bank, Axis, HDFC Bank. I'm sorry, not HDFC Bank. Yeah, HDFC Bank. So these are enough for market to pull up like that. So these things will not happen just because there is a lot of buying. You see the just open the IndusInd chart. I am not seeing any volume here. Okay. See, there are not huge volumes here. Volumes are not huge. Whatever move we are seeing here, we put in 5 minute chart. There is some issue with trading wave. Let me let me open my what volume. We go to 1 hour chart. So if you see, there was this huge momentum here, big green candle. Right? This volume, we can see this. There's some buying happening here, but nowhere we can see some big volumes here. Today there was a big volume here, just candle. Other than that, volumes are actually dropped. Then why again the bank nifty is moving is because of the short covering. Shorts are being they run for cover. This is what will happen. Anyways, this small concept what I wanted to tell. Whenever you see, whenever you see moves like this, where this higher low, lower high, lower low is getting formed, just watch out for the point of interest or POI zones in the hourly time frame because hourly time frame, if you had seen a big rally somewhere, that point will become very crucial. It's called POI, hourly POI. From this point, we can see big rally. Definitely, when the price comes there, it will be a very dirt cheap for the institutions. They bought the this one here, futures or whatever options, they sold options, whatever. That long positions would be in huge profit here. Again, they came back. Again, they went. So all these players, whoever did this, whoever seeing this kind of a move, thought that market is going to go down like this, and it is possible. I'm not saying no, but whenever we have this kind of a hourly structure, this is not broken. You have to be careful. Market can because those points will be like a demand zone for the market. Can go up. So let me come back to the 5 minute chart. So what is the next move for the market I am expecting? So you can see, let me put the CPR. So CPR is like a magnet for us. So I expect market to remain sideways or maximum previous day high S1. This is what will happen. It's a very wide CPR actually, 44,726 to 44, close to 80, 78, 80, 90 points here. That's it. So market will do this because done. Rally is done. I told you like this is a single line CPR, so market will can rally upside. I also expected a rally downside, but it didn't happen. Yes. So this market will do on Monday because it has given enough for option buyers. Now it's time for option sellers to make money. So this will happen. They'll trap everyone here now. People are looking like people are watching for these 45,000 levels, or people who are completely bullish, they will look out for 45,000. Who are completely bearish, they will look for 44,000. All these players now can be trapped. So all option buyers will be trapped in this big range 44,157, 44,800. This big range, what we see here, market will trap you. So be aware. So these ranges, what you see here, or it's called premium zone. So below 50% is only buying zone. Whenever market comes in these zones, try to buy. Find some order blocks there. Find some demand zones there. Try to buy. Suppose example, I'll just put the some kind of zones where we can buy it. But if the market stays above this 38%, don't try to buy anything or don't try to sell anything. Just watch the market because inside CPR, never ever trade inside this zone. This zone is a dangerous zone because market can even give pullback and go up like this, or market can crash like this. Suppose if you're thinking it will go up, it may go down. If you're thinking if it's going down, it can go up because liquidity. This is called liquidity point. They can take this liquidity as well and come down, or they can take this liquidity. What do you see here? 44,600. They can sweep and go up. This also they can sweep 44,800 and come down. It's almost like 200 point range. We have to be do very careful and do some small scalping and not trade for big levels like R1, R2, R3, or S1, S1, S2, S3. Maximum you can come till just sweep S1 maximum. That is maximum I'm telling 44,550 or maximum will go to R1. Since the trend is bullish, you can expect small movement like that. So other than that, don't expect anything in the market for 2-3 days. Nothing will get. Maximum will go like this, come down. Because I'll just put the monthly or weekly CPR. Let me put. So this is the weekly CPR for next week. You can see, right? It's a big range. What do you have? 44,654 to 44,200. Whenever you have such a big rally, market will remain sideways for at least close to 1 to 2 weeks. It will sleep in the CPR for few days, for sure. It will sleep here for 1 day, somewhere here. Next day it will sleep here. Third day it will sleep here. Fourth day again will come back here. Some area, some area, some area. It will do like this, dance like this between this range. So not considered on how what is that, but you have to go to lower time frames and try to take trades based on that. So inside this range, especially CPR, whatever CPR indicator is there, don't trade in that range. Definitely liquidity will be taken on both sides. You will be thinking market is going in the single direction. It won't go like that because already all the movements are done. Whatever now the markets have to settle down and think about the next direction. So it will be done. Some based on some news or based on something. This is the view for Monday. Okay. So okay, thank you. So I want to tell you something. So suppose if there's a big gap down or gap up on Monday, what we can expect is there's a big gap up like 45,000 somewhere. Say near R2 somewhere here. Chances high, there's chances of that also. If there's a gap up like this, market will definitely I'll tell you, will become completely unpredictable from this zone because it's completely trapping you everywhere. Trapped here, trapped, trapped here. No pullback, nothing. It's not doing any pullback except this pullback. In a 5 minute time frame, higher time frame, no pullbacks, nothing. Leave the 5 minute time frame. We saw some pullback here. Market, this level is very important. 44,200. Okay, this pullback zone. So remember this gap up and gap down. As you know, there is a lot of strategies in YouTube. One of the strategies wait for this candle high or low to be broken, then go in the direction. That only I told last video also. The market opens with a green candle like this, small this one like this. Not link inside CPR, outside CPR. Wait for it. The green candle definitely will come down. Red candle definitely try to play like this. Just like today, it will do like this. And chances of market when broken this low, day low, CPR. This one, and again go back to short covering will happen. Somewhere. Okay, this might happen. Be aware. And if it's a red candle like this, so sure, it's a red candle, it might do like this, gap up. Green candle like this, so it can do this. Somewhere here. So you cannot go by the color of the candle. You have to go in a smaller time frame and trade that based on some order blocks or some confirmation, like how I showed you here. There's some one or two opportunities definitely will be there per day. Never ever just jump on a running train. You can never catch the trade. Maybe by luck you may catch some trade, and never use any other indicator other than CPR like moving averages and all that. They are all there to fool you only, fool the retailers basically. Just go with this kind of logic where VWAP is a good indicator you can use. VWAP will tell you like if the price is cheaper or discount zone, but never ever use any other moving average like 20 moving averages, 50, 200, like what we see in a lot of strategies on YouTube. It may work sometime, but the market, as you can see right now, India VIX is like close to, it's at the bottom. So if the VIX actually reverses from here, no indicator, no averages, no moving average, no CPR, nothing will work. The market has once bad news or one news which is not good for the economy, something like that we get, market can do anything. It will do wild things like fall from here, go up there. Because I remember somewhere in the month of visual, this move, I guess, yeah, this move in the month of May. If you remember, market did this. It fell like almost, even made a high that day, 4th May, 43,743. Again, next day, it came down to first candle was a very big green candle, dropped 1,000 points. Next day went again 1,000 points up. Like this kind of, I don't know, so some kind of news was there that day. It did this. So this kind of wild momentum will be there sometime. You have to be careful because even when the rally is like this, straight line rally, without any major correction, this is what will happen. I'm expecting the same here, straight line rally. Somewhere it will crash like this. So, but don't try to sell everywhere in the market. Look for all the breakout structure. Look for higher high, higher low, and the low is taken out. Go out and find out a order block somewhere top. For example, we have an order block here on a 5 minute. There's an imbalance also. Try if the market comes here, try to trade till here. They have a low here. There's order block here, right? So try to do scalping in between this range. Go back. See, this is not a very small range. If you see, this can give you a scalping profit of close to, you can say just market till here also, 60, 70 points. It's very good opportunity, scalping. So these kind of things, do it small stop losses. Don't go with big stop losses. That's all. So this is the my prediction. So hope got. So this move, CPR inside no trade, with gap up in the red candle. Again, this same thing will happen. Gap up and a green candle. Chances it will go up for some time and drop down to CPR. So CPR, it will attack CPR. Candles can come back to CPR. Chances are high. And also, a lot of virgin CPRs here. One virgin or two virgin CPRs are there. Chances are that it can touch this on an expiry day, because by that time, because expiry generally we get this short covering or whatever, like big sell off and all, right? We can see big whatever happens on a, this is because of the volumes are drying down. They'll do this big momentum on expiry days. So watch out. Tuesdays, Thursdays, this kind of move will get back. So this will come back here again, do this big like this and all that. So this is my prediction for Monday. Thank you.